Oh,
and
that's very
what they
cool.
can't eat, they tend to just bury, and then like leave it for later. So they
Okay.
usually live in the more northern parts where there are, of course, harsher winters, so things don't spoil as quickly.
Very smart
Yeah,
then.
so it's actually quite hard for us zookeepers to feed them.
Because they hide the food.
Yes, and then if they were to give them like a whole animal, they would just eat some of it and bury the rest, and he won't know how much food they will have. And then in a month or something, he'll just find a carcass or something.
Yeah.
Going in the water.
Yeah, they don't look very dangerous, but apparently they are.
Yeah, sometimes they do like for the sort of like play fight. Looks very dangerous. I'll tell you that.
Oh gosh.
I wouldn't want to come in between. That much.
If not friend, then why friendship?
Yeah. All right, cool.
Yes. Lovely animal. Oh yeah, we can try and see if we can spot them. But we have some prairie dogs here as well.
So what? Sorry.
Some prairie dogs.
Okay.
That's what they mean.
Let's go see.
Take out a king cobra.
Let's go see.
That's not true. You can take on a bear. You don't care. You don't care. You don't care. Exactly.
You can see all their little holes and caves here. They duck in themselves.
Little holes. Okay, got it.
Sometimes they're up, sometimes they're not.
Oh yeah, the claws did look fierce.
Yeah, I guess like they're sort of like gophers. They're called prairie dogs. These ones.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if we can find them. Yeah.
Lauren, thank you so much for the $10 donor.
Oh, so sweet. We got another $10 dono. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Someone donated 10. Yes, awesome. That was Warren. Thank you so much. Yeah, I don't see.
One.
There's one? Oh, let's go see. Here it is. Yeah, by the branches. Oh, it's just a baby. It's just a baby. Oh, two. It's actually two. Hello. Hello. So cute.
They're too cute.
Nice. Nice.
They're very cute. Yeah, so these usually act as like a very keystone species, if you guys know what that means. So a keystone species is a very important species in an ecosystem, and where they live, they can live in flocks, up to millions. So they're a very important food source for many animals, and also that they rearrange all the ground and all that stuff.
Got it. That is awesome. That is awesome. Okay. Let's see what's next. Can we get over that wall? I think no. We have a question. Can they get over the wall?
No, they can't get over. That's why we built it like that.
So yeah,
that's
it
why
kind of leans.
it's tilted here, so they can't crawl over it.
They can't fall. Yeah.
They can't jump that far as well.
Okay, got it.
Exactly.
It's only the turtles that I see.
Yeah.
It's only the big turtles.
That's so fun.
They could do it, but
Yes.
that's new.
Well, I like how I just told you about the big rock,
Yeah.
and it happened anyway.
Yeah. Jinxed yourself.
Yes. All right, so that was roughly around 10,000 years ago. So now we are moving up in time. So what we are coming up to here is about 5,000 years ago. I don't really think it's called that in English, but in Denmark we would call it the age of farming.
The age of farming, kind of like, okay.
And there we had lynx as well. And I guess you guys know that there's a Canadian lynx.
Yeah.
In here, if we're lucky, we'll find the European lynx, which is the biggest of all the 4 species of lynx.
Oh, okay.
But they did just have 2 kittens.
Oh,
So
cute.
Mama lynx is probably hiding somewhere.
Yeah, makes sense.
That's valid.
Our male one is in there as well as their kitten from last year. If we're
Let's
lucky.
go see. Let's go see. Agricultural revolution. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And the reason why we have that here with the lynx is because this is when the lynx became extinct in Denmark. So these types of animals require quite a lot of coherent forests. And when the agriculture and the farming kicked in Denmark, we removed a lot of forests, so there wasn't enough space for them anymore.
Yeah, which make
But-
understandable. Yeah.
Yeah, so they still exist in places like Sweden and Norway.
Like
And they
having-
could, if we had more forests, they could easily be in Denmark as well. But these are really, really hard to
Hard to
And
find.
Sometimes I'll just stand here and watch for 20 minutes and realize they're just standing right in front of me. And I think one of them is on top of a little hut there.
Yes, I see it. I see it. Okay.
Oh yeah, he's snoozing.
You don't see it too well, but one is, yeah. What do you see? The branches? It's actually over there. Yeah, it's kind of hidden, but it's there. You can, yeah. Those are the eyes. You see it, but it's not the best view.
It's very difficult to spot it from here. But we can definitely see that it has this reddish color right now, and that's actually because it's able to kind of change its color through the season. So when it's summer, it has this like reddish color, but when it becomes winter again, it will change its color back to gray white.
Ah,
And that's
okay.
of course very smart when we live in this seasonal areas of the world where it changes from summer to winter.
We actually have somebody in my chat that lives in Sweden and says that they can sometimes find them around the
Yes.
close to cities actually also.
Yeah, that's really cool.
That's super cool, Skyfox. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's just sleeping there. And
Yeah, I
I
wonder
think
if it's
just one. I think it's just one.
looks
right?
like it's just one. Yeah.
There are, I guess, 5 in total down here, and like.
They're hard to
Where are
find.
they?
They're hard to find. Let's see if we can spot them. But yeah, we might only see kind of that one. Welcome back, Rudy. Welcome back. How are you doing? We're trying to see if we can find the links. There are a few, but we only kind of spotted one.
Yes, and like we talked about earlier, is that all the animals have a safe space to go
Yeah.
to if they don't want to be looked at or seen, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I guess the lynx really like that.
Yeah.
They just don't care. Like the jaguars, they don't really care. So when you do see them, they just really look unimpressed. It's just
I mean, they are
Oh,
cats, kind
yes,
of.
exactly.
So understandable.
Yeah. I like my face.
This place is beautiful. Yes, Rudy, it really is. It's gorgeous. Oh, there's a little bit of wind. Right? Where?
Right. So now we're going to go to the present.
To the present.
Yes,
Ooh.
and this is where we'll see what's left of all the cool animals in Denmark, which is mostly livestock. So
Oh,
we'll have some
mostly
pigs and some
livestock.
cows.
Oh,
And then-
okay.
We will end up over here in our biology room, where I'll show you some more cool animals.
Okay, all right. Did you guys hear that?
Yes, this is actually brand new. What you're seeing here, so this is what we call the future. So what we've shown here, we haven't shown any animals because we won't know
Yeah.
what's here. But what we've done is that we planted a lot of native flowers. So all these flowers you see here are actually native to Denmark. And what's cool about this is that hopefully during the summer we'll see a lot of different insects. So we have a problem in Denmark with having enough different flowers or native plants for all the insects.
That's nice. Okay.
All right,
Let's go see the livestock.
so let's go see the livestock. Yeah. So there's a nice big pig in the end there.
Oh yeah. We have a question. In Germany and Holland, the wolf is returning. Are they
Yes.
coming back also to Denmark?
We have had wolves return to Denmark as well.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
they went extinct around 200 years ago, but in the last 15, 20 years, they have steadily coming back to Denmark.
Ah, okay. That is super cool to
I
know.
think we have around 20 or 23 wolves or something in Denmark right now.
Awesome, awesome.
Really
Great,
cool.
yeah.
As a biologist, we really like that.
Yeah. Look at the pig snoozing. And there are some more.
Oh yes, and the cows are just
Yeah.
sunbathing, I guess, as well,
Yeah.
relaxing.
In Sweden, no, not Sweden, sorry, Switzerland, they have a saying that if the cows are spend most of their day like that, laying down,
Yeah.
the weather is changing to be bad. While if they're just like roaming around and everything, it's the opposite.
Oh,
It's something
wow.
super funny. Everybody, it's like a traditional thing in Sweden.
I just you thought it was.
Looks like the weather's going to be bad then.
Maybe.
God, look at the little piggies.
Oh
we have
yeah,
Mini pigs as well.
there are guinea pigs.
Little shorty. Stop filming me.
Hopefully there will be fauna in the future. That's the hope. And I mean, the rainforest is actually has that as a goal to have fauna in the future. So that's why we're doing everything that we're doing to give the animals a safe space to live. Like both, of course, now we are talking about Denmark, but like specifically rainforest parts of the world. Look at that! Look at that! Cutie pie. You know, don't mix up Sweden and Switzerland. No, I know. I just said it wrong once, sorry. I'm just getting tired. Look at that. So cute.
Yes, lovely animals. All right, let's go into the farmhouse over here where we have our sort of like, we call it our biology room.
Okay.
Sort of like a chill room for all the guides.
Okay.
I am, and we have a lot of cool things and animals we can show. and
Okay,
all sorts
let's
of
see.
nice stuff.
Wait, I did my mistake twice and I corrected myself once. Oh no, sorry. Oh, Rachel, thank you so much for 100 biddies. Welcome in. How are you doing? No, we're not pet shopping. We are at a rainforest. We are at a rainforest, and right now we are in the kind of outside area where there are animals of Denmark. It's super exciting. We're doing a charity stream. How are you doing today? Pet shopping. I have enough. Oh, okay. Let's see what we're gonna see here. Oh.
Yes, so this is like the showroom for us guides who works here. We spend a lot of time during the day holding presentations, showing animals, doing all sorts of
okay.
educational cool stuff. And all of these animals in here are really cool. Some of them are from here actually. So the big jaguar over here was called Bobby, which was the first jaguar here in the zoo. We're actually only 28 years old. So it's not that old of a zoo. And the same goes for the hyena over there. She was actually also living here for a couple of years ago. And that's when they get old and they die. Sometimes we tend to like put them on show as well because we think they're very pretty, and it's a shame for them to just go to waste, right?
How do you call it, like the process? Taxidermy.
Cool. I didn't know what it was called in English. So thank you for that one. Yeah, and the funny thing about Bobby here is that so when you're doing the taxidermy,
Yeah.
you have to have some sort of like a mold or something to pull the skin around. And Bobby was actually so large that they had to use a lion's mold. So, yes. He was a big fella.
Let's imagine.
Pretty cool. And we of course.
Oh, thank you for the biddies, Razor. Thank you for 100
cool live
biddies.
animals as well, but all
Cool
these guys
live
again
animals.
for 2 minutes and feel free to look around, and I'll come back and show you some cool stuff.
Okay, thank you so much. So we just wait 2 minutes. Razor, thank you again for the biddies. You are so sweet. Where's the snake?
Oh yeah, and also Jen, you guys have to go to the bathroom though right here.
Okay, thank you. Where is a snake over there? Let's see, what else can I find? Do you see anything? Oh, like this is the shell of a turtle. Oh wait, wow. What is? Oh my God. Oh, these are also not alive.
I can't really see.
No, these are definitely not. Oh, that's
No.
the skin. Oh my God.
I might run to the washroom.
Ah, look at the web of the spider. Ooh. Oh, okay. That's a lot.
Is there anything here?
I mean, I don't see anything alive.
Oh, okay. Oh, the skin.
Look at the skin is impressive. Just if I think that they freaking kill snakes to make skin, like for bags and everything. It's horrible.
No, that's horrible.
It's horrible. Oh yes, more people are so generous with the charity donors. Thank you so much to everybody that's been donating. It helps a lot. I'm getting a bit tired. I wish that I could sit.
There you can
I
see.
might actually sit there, yeah, for a second. Is there anything here? Oh, there are some alive ants that are alive and moving. Oh yeah, these are the the leaves cutters. I think that's how they're called. Oh my god, there's a fish over there.
There's a fish. Oh, that fish. I thought it was that one that you put into the
No,
wall
no,
that
no.
says, don't worry.
Can we take it out and play with? No, I don't think that
No.
we can. I really don't think that we can. Ooh,
We can play with the worms.
we can play with the worms. Yeah,
The worms are there.
the worms are over there. Oh my god. I mean, we have been streaming for 4 hours basically at this point. Wow.
But this is so fun. I could do this all day.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's really amazing.
Oh, what is that? Oh, is Ray actually showing the worms? Oh my god.
Ray left stream with the worms.
Guys, you want some worms? They're yummy.
Hi,
They have
Apple.
a lot of
Welcome in.
protein.
Wait, I'm actually just drink some water.
How much
I'm gonna
you
put you on the ground.
You
Sorry.
wanna donate, so Ray.
Wait.
You guys gonna see us
Wait.
reward?
Sorry. Not a pretty view. Not a pretty view. I just need to get my. Oh,
Right.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
So,
Huh? Oh yeah.
Alright.
Just wait a minute. We have some
I just
animals.
closed the door. Damn.
Oh,
Well,
she's
again.
locked in. Oh, now she's in the basement.
Oh, she's locked in.
She's like, help. Looking for worms because I'm having dinner right now. Yeah.
Just put my backpack down here for a second.
Protein pudding. Yeah, that also sounds
Oh yeah, if you remember from earlier, we also have some leaf cutter ants in
Yeah,
here.
I saw that.
Yes.
Yeah, awesome.
Cool.
This is truly one of the most wholesome, beautiful streams you have done so far. Oh, Dan, you're so sweet.
Nice.
It is a very nice stream, isn't it? Isn't it? Oh, sorry, cables. I'm just gonna detach the cables for a second. I just need to remember to pick that up later. Okay, so there's a box.
Yes.
Let's guess what's in the box.
I just left them with the box.
What's in the box?
But
I have no clue. Anybody has an idea?
So how much do you wanna
What's in the box?
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Can anybody guess what's in the box?
Yeah.
What's
Can
in the box?
can anybody guess?
Yes,
What?
I was thinking as we were coming to the end of the tour, like let's do something cool, something fun, right? So you guys have been so good following around, seeing all this stuff and collecting for charity.
Yeah.
So let's try something cool for the end here. So does anybody know what or have a guess at what's in the box?
Okay, we have somebody saying pain. Somebody says a
Yes.
A
ferret.
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 That would be cool.
That would be
Not
cool.
ferret,
A
though.
scorpion, a snake. All the guesses are arriving. Probably an elephant.
Yes. All right. So it is a snake.
It is a
Yes.
snake.
And just to make clear, it doesn't live in the box. This is just for transport. Just
Okay,
No
doesn't
one-
live in the box.
don't worry, guys.
A snake.
Yes.
What type of snake?
Yes,
Ha.
this is called a Domarilla boa. And these are pretty big, pretty cool.
Oh, it is big.
Oh my god.
There we go.
Oh, it looks
Oh, he's heavy.
He's a bit heavy, yes. Not as heavy as the tortoise, though.
Oh my.
So the thing is that I just have to carry it up so it doesn't hang around, so it's nice and cozy for the snake as well. And he's
Oh.
very curious today, I can see.
Ooh.
Yes.
Is it a type? It's not venomous.
No, so this is like the one we had before,
Mhm.
a type of like constrictor.
Uh huh.
So that's why I'm pulling it around my neck.
It's a big hug. Yeah.
Yes. And
Oh.
he's very, or she, I actually think is very lively today. But if any of you guys wants to try and touch or hold a snake, you can do
Well.
that. But there are
Yeah.
three sort of like tips or rules for when handling snakes, and they're all rules that make sure that we are being friendly to the snake.
Hmm?
Is that we don't touch its head. It's not because it'll bite you, Actually, it won't, but it's just really, really annoying to be petted on the head all day long.
Up, up, up. Yeah.
The same goes for its tail. It's a bit ticklish down there.
Mm-hmm.
It's not nice. And the last thing is, like, don't squeeze it.
Yeah.
Just
Okay. Okay.
But
Just.
it's so 3 rules for us to make sure that it's handled correctly.
Okay. Who's going first?
That was
Oh,
right.
it's a bit difficult to hold today.
Is it-
Usually I can just put it around my waist and it'll just stay there. But
Oh,
yeah,
today
let's
no.
try and
How
use it.
apparently.
So you can either try and hold it with me. I can give you some of it here. Oh yeah, perfect.
Ooh.
And we can do it together like this.
It might be it's twice as long as me. Yeah. Almost.
Yes.
It's
So-
actually very cozy.
Yes. So the thing is, a lot of people have this misconception that snakes are sticky and
No, they're
very
not.
nasty, but they're really, really nice to touch. Actually, quite soft. At least when they're relaxed, like he is.
Yeah. Does it change if they get like?
So if they get stressed and all, they will like start to cramp up and get very annoyed. So that's also one way for me to notice if it wants to go back to its enclosure.
Hello.
Right now it's quite calm. It's just very
It is.
curious. So
It
it's
is
like
curious.
all
Oh, yeah.
around and about, right? You can see it sticking out its tongue all the time, and I guess today a lot of people do know that.
Oh.
That's the chameleon.
Chameleon is curious too.
He's a clumsy boy.
So what it's doing with its tongue is it's actually smelling. So it uses its tongue to smell.
Oh, it's funny when it moves. It's so
Yes.
weird.
Yeah, that was so fast.
So what it does is that like we collect all the particles that we use to smell in the nose,
Yeah.
but they collect it
Ooh,
with their
it's going
tongue, and then
somewhere.
they put it in their mouth, and then they put it over their nose from the inside out.
Ah.
Yes.
It's moving
That's
a
why
lot.
It's like twofold, so it
It's
can
moving a lot.
Yeah.
kind of
Oh, it's
taste, smell
funny.
which way the prey is, right? So
Ah.
that's how it finds out.
So you're the prey, right?
Yeah.
I mean, the worms are behind me. Maybe that's what it's smelling.
I don't think this one wants worms. We're feeding it rats.
Rats. Ah.
Can I go? No.
Wow.
You wanna switch?
Yes, does anybody else wants to try? If you don't want to hold it,
She's
you
lovely.
can try and touch it as well.
I might do that. Yeah.
Try if you can to turn this way.
Hold this
I am
part,
careful.
and then we can just help each other because he's a bit rowdy right now. I think it's alright. And it's important when you like handle
It is
snakes,
cozy.
just don't hold it one place so it just hangs. It's not very nice for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's always like it's fine right now because you're holding one part and I'm holding another part. That's fine.
It's grippy too. 'Cause
Yes.
You feel like their muscles move.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Umo, thank you so much for the $10 donation. That's so sweet of you. Thank
This is
you.
very,
Thank you.
very
Thank you for
beautiful snake, and I
contributing.
really like these. So the
Thank
thing
you.
about these that are great is especially for us to show and educate people because of course we get a lot of wow factor when we pull
Mhm.
this up, but we use it to also tell a lot about the biology and the ecology of the snakes.
Mhm.
And this really helps children to keep like the attention because it's big and cool.
Mhm.
And the thing about this one is that it looks so big, but it doesn't actually get any longer. It's just,
This
well, let's be honest, it's just a bit fat, right? But the
Somebody
reason-
in chat said that earlier.
Yes, okay. But the reason it is that this is actually mostly a ground dwelling snake. So the snakes that climb trees are usually a bit thinner and longer. And the
Mm-hmm.
ones on the ground are a bit thicker
Got
and
it.
shorter, right?
Got it.
That's
Uh-huh. All right.
Okay.
How about you guys? Do you want to try? And also, like, if you can see the chat, so you can see, if you see underneath the snake here, right? You can try and see underneath it. You can see there's like this little gap here. And that's because it has a lot of skin that folds out. So when it has to swallow its prey,
Oh.
because it swallows its prey whole, it needs to open its mouth so that it's not
Oh, it's
only
just
able
hugging
to
now.
open its mouth this way, but it can also open it in this way. So that's how they swallow those big prey.
Oh, that makes
Yeah.
sense.
Yeah. Yeah. Word that is true.
And I've got a new belt, I guess.
Yeah. Is he trying to hug you now?
No,
Too
no,
tight?
He's
Hug
not-
you real
He's not
tight?
trying to strengthen me or anything,
Okay.
but you have to keep in mind that, of course, the snake doesn't want to fall down, so it's trying to
To grab.
grab onto me like I was a branch or something, right?
Mhm.
That's what it's doing right now.
Ah.
And it's not tight at all. I actually need to keep my hands on it for it to not fall down.
Mhm.
So right now it's still very, very calm. That's
Mhm.
nice. But I don't know where the head went though.
He's right.
He's over here.
Sure.
Well, I don't know how to grab it.
I can help you with that, perhaps. Put it up
What a nice belt.
Uh,
What
oh.
a nice belt.
so you can try and grab this part. There you go. And then I
Ooh.
can untangle. go,
Wow.
you're holding a very large snake.
Wow.
Yes. Really think it's beautiful. When the light hits it right, it has this like bluish tint.
Shall I go too, guys?
Really
I don't know.
Yes, yeah, do it.
Oh, Gary, thank you so much for the $30 donation. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
thank you,
That's very
guys.
sweet. Thank you so much.
Yes, and I
Thank
think
you.
these snakes, and I'm not completely sure, but I think these are from Madagascar.
Madagascar. Oh.
Typically, boas, like this is a boa, are usually found in South America, in the New World, we call it, while python are mostly commonly found in Africa and Asia. Of course, there are exceptions, right? Like this one.
I like how his head is just like, he's like, I'm resting.
Yeah, so
You're
that's
resting,
quite
yeah.
funny actually, because these are, they need to regulate their body temperature. They can do it themselves like we can. So sometimes when I have the small snakes, when I hold some of them like in the enclosures over here, they tend to crawl down into my pocket or like into my shirt because it's nice and warm. But I don't think there's room for this one though.
No.
I need bigger pockets.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you guys want. to try.
Okay, I'll just.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll keep the head over here.
He's heavy.
Yeah,
He's a bit heavy.
Don't
Yeah,
fat
you got a
shame
new
the
bracelet
snake.
over there.
Yeah.
I think that my arm is a bit too weak, to be honest.
Yeah.
Ouch!
Careful not to grab the tail too much.
Yeah. Oh.
Ina
Not
doesn't
because
lift.
it's dangerous or anything, it's just.
You
I
know,
know,
needs
I
to
see.
lift weights.
His
Yeah,
head.
nice.
Oh, you can feel him.
Oh, Ina?
Oh, can I lift? Can I?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. He's heavy, like my arm.
Wow, I did it for 2 seconds, but I did it. Yay! Wow, thank you so much for showing him to us and
thank you so much
allowing
for coming
this.
along.
You need help to put
actually,
it
can you just hold it for a second?
Perhaps, I don't know yet.
Sin, can I ask
I
you?
might need to
Because
grab
I have to
this
tie
one
my
and
shoe.
take, like the top of the lid.
the top of the lid.
Yeah, so the thing is that I'm going to try now and untangle this. And then
Thank you so
I
much.
have to sort of like not step on it.
No fear from me, no, yeah.
Here.
That can eat me in
And
5
the thing
minutes,
about these things
absolutely.
is that they're very curious right here, but as soon as we get him down and the lid comes on and it gets dark, they tend to relax. Sort of
Got
like
it.
a parrot does.
Oh,
She,
Oh,
No,
oh,
that
no, didn't work.
yeah,
Like-
get back to your.
He's like, these people are nice, I want to hang.
extra curious today.
There you go.
Wow. The feeling of the hand is weird, like it's a
It's
bit
funny.
weird,
It's
yeah.
Quite soft, right?
Yeah.
It's really nice.
But also when he moved, you were able to hear like to feel the small parts. I don't know how they're
Yes,
called,
and
like
the
you.
funny thing is that like it has, and I don't think we have it anymore in here, sadly. But we used to have a big skeleton of the snake, and the thing is that it got ribs all the way down. Like, we also have our rib cage, but the thing is that it's not locked. Like our rib cages, they are actually in a ball joint, so they're able to move their ribs back and forth, and actually able to crawl on them.
Got it.
Pretty
Got it.
cool, yeah.
That is very cool.
That is super cool, isn't it? Yeah. I'm so glad that we got to do this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What was
yeah.
her name again?
The name, like we haven't given it a name, but the species is called Dumeril's boa.
The Morels.
Yes, I think
Dumeril's
that's a common
boa.
name for it. At least I can't remember the Latin name.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
That's okay.
That's cool.
Let's
Yes.
see.
Do you guys have any questions or anything?
Oh, yeah,
Oh.
guys, if you have any questions for the guide, this is the moment.
Yeah.
Yes, or the animals or anything.
Yeah, if you have questions
I
about
can't
animals.
promise I can answer them though, but I'll do my best.
Oh, there's another one.
Yes, and we can have a look at all the animals over here.
Yeah.
They're quite cool.
That little chameleon who fell.
Yes, so
Yeah.
this is the same species of chameleon that we fed earlier. So these are from Yemen. Out in the wild, they actually, a lot of them don't tend to get older than 7 months because then there comes a drought. And then around 75 to 80% of the population actually dies. But I think in captivity they can get around 12 to 13 years old. So
Okay. Got it.
Oh, wow.
Sky fox. Is it full grown with snake? I think
That
that the
one?
snake was.
yes, I think that's pretty much full grown. Of course, some snakes can get a little bit bigger.
Just yeah.
It's not they don't all get the same size. But
Okay,
roughly
got it.
that size.
Got it.
Yes.
Oh, Razor, thank you for the 100 biddies. Let's feed the lizards to the snake. No.
Yes, we have some skinks.
Gary, there are a few small monkeys. We can't really hold them. We saw them earlier. It's going to be on the VOD. There were like small monkeys.